If you look at the pound yen, we had a very decent profit today, guys. Even if you look at the movement this morning, we have a beautiful, long trade here. Then you can see here the price rejected at this level. So we also had a short trade here, and then we also had a long trade here. Then we also had a short trade here. Because being an intraday trader, we look at the major support and resistance. As you can see here, the price rejected many times. So we also don't hesitate to take the counter opportunity. And let me share with you guys how we analyze the market through intraday and define specific entries and exit and help our traders to not to miss any opportunity, but instead squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. So let's look at the pound yen. Hello traders. Today is the 11th of June, Wednesday, 2025. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis now. All right, guys, let's look at the pound dollar. If you are following our analysis on the YouTube yesterday, we had this beautiful short trade. We also had a long trade. And as I mentioned yesterday, we've been looking at short trade here. So we had it, two beautiful short trade here. This London Open. So we have short trade, this one. We also had a one small pullback. Once the price respected, and if you look at the way we look at here, if you look at this candlestick pattern, and if you look at here, we have this many rejection here, no candle closed below this level. And this is rejection. And if you look at the body of this candle, very strong body. So that gives us the high probability. And the news later on was negative for the dollar this afternoon. So we have this long trade here. And afterwards, we explain our trader just keep taking a pullback. So we squeeze amazing profit, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the intraday and entries and exit. So if you look at the pound dollar, we had a pretty straightforward as mentioned. This was the trade as yesterday. I was mentioning you're looking for short. We had this beautiful short trade here. And after this breakout, we also had another pullback short trade here. That was the last trade here. And let me show you guys. This is the analysis we did. Pretty straightforward. After this breakout, we had another beautiful pullback short trade. Squeeze amazing profit based on these two analyses. And once the price rejected here, then we did another analysis reversal. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. The way we look at here, so we were expecting the price should stay below this level, but price refused, but give us the high probability trade. Then we are looking high probability if the price cannot break the previous high. So the price broken, and the second price action, if you look at here, we have this impulsive reaction. And after impulsive price develop a correction. So first of all, based on this analysis, price nicely broken. And after the breakout, price retest. That's the second price action. Third was that price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern. That gave us a high probability. Then we explain over to keep an eye on another pullback. Based on the momentum, we had this beautiful long trade here, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, basically, as I explained over to high probability look for the long trade here because the price is already developed. You can see here, the price is already developed bullish momentum. Price came back here and retest. If you look at this candlestick pattern here, this rejection that give us the high probability of long trade here. So that we had it. Another analysis which we broadcast as we explain our trader through live analysis. If we have price broken previous high, so looking for this breakout or either this breakout. So you can see here the price nicely broken, and after that we have another beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's why we suggest our traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful long trade on pound dollar. All right, so let's look at the pound yen now. If you look at the pound yen, we had a very decent profit today, guys. Even if you look at the movement this morning, we have a beautiful, long trade here. Then you can see here the price rejected at this level. So we also had a short trade here, and then we also had a long trade here. Then we also had a short trade here. Because being an intraday trader, we look at the major support and resistance. As you can see here, the price rejected many times. So we also don't hesitate to take the counter opportunity. And let me share with you guys how we analyze the market through intraday and define specific entries and exit and help our traders to not to miss any opportunity, but instead squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. So let's look at the pound yen. If you look at the pound yen, we had this morning, we had a beautiful long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. Being an intraday, our system allow us to give us the high probability trade. We have this breakout, then we have another pullback, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level in 4 hours, that's what we explain our traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful long trade here. Then afterward, as mentioned, price respected. So we had another reversal trade, which is a pretty straightforward. As you can see, that's why we explain our trader price refused to stay above this level, broken here. Let's see if the price can break this low. Then we're looking here. You can see here the price is nicely broken even after the breakout. Price retest give us the high probability trade. As soon as the price hit to the support level, that's what we explain our traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful short trade here. Then afterwards we had a long trade here. Again, every single analysis we explain our trader that the high probability. If you look ahead, the price broken. So this is the area we were looking a pullback. That's the first priority we're looking in. And the continuation for short had this level if the price gonna break this way. Look at this candlestick pattern here. Look at this one. First of all, that's why our intraday charting system, we haven't seen any pullback. We haven't seen any red candle. But instead, if you look at here, price nicely broken. Instead, without changing color of the candlestick pattern, price give them and retest this level and give us the high probability long. Then we explain momentum is bullish, so keep taking a pullback. So that was a beautiful, a long trade. We had it on pound yen squeeze, amazing profit. And afterwards, we had another beautiful short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see here the price nicely broken and beautiful squeeze, amazing profit. So you can see here we had a long trade, short trade, long trade, and then we had a short trade here. So you can see here based on major support and resistance, how we analyze the market in intraday and helping our trader not to miss any opportunity and squeeze amazing profits. So that was the beautiful trade we had it. So if you look at the Euro USD and pound dollar more or less the same. But as if you look at the price action here, and we have, you can see here multiple rejection, previous price action, we have this impulsive reaction. And after that, if you look at the price develop correction, and that give us the high probability of one more push to the upside. And this, the candle of confirmation, we had it in 4 hour. And afterwards, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. So we really enjoy this really, guys. Later on at the New York session, you can see the news wasn't good for the dollar. That give us the another sign of continuation. So the traders squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. And now let me share with you how we analyze the entry. That was a pretty straightforward. We had a two beautiful long trade here. This was the trade we had it at the London morning session. We had this breakout, price nicely broken, and pretty straightforward. We explain in more detail. You can see high is broken. After that, price retest. But as mentioned, say first we let the price break a recent high, and if second price action, we have impulsive correction and impulsive safest way, previous high broken, another pullback squeeze, amazing profit on Euro USD. That was a beautiful trade. And then if you look at it in 4 hour, we have this rejection, price came back here, then we have another pullback. So we technically within 4 hour, you can see here, price respected here. So we were expecting another pullback. Exactly we mentioned in intraday too. So this is the pullback we were looking in. As you can see here, the price nicely developed pullback. We're only going to take a short if the price can break and give us the confirmation. Otherwise, high probability long and breakout long. You can see here that give us the high probability once the price develop a double bottom at the support level and break high. Beautiful long trade hit to the profit target and squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. But if you want to see those analysis in real time, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, all the best.